I see data structures as a core of computer science. Okay. Are you asking this because you saw this online? Or are you asking it as your own determination? Let me know. Okay? Leo says, Dennis, it would be fun comparing the coding abilities on LLMs. They say Claude is good. I didn't like it, to be honest, but you doing a review would be fun. Yeah, that could be fun. That could be fun. I have other ideas for things that I want to benchmark. I think there's a lot more interesting benchmarks out there. You know, again, kind of thinking about helping people learn data science. That would be an interesting benchmark. I think I just have bigger fish to fry, but I'll think about that, Leo. It's not a bad suggestion. Now, having said that, I did spend some time on Twitter yesterday. Excuse me, sorry. And excuse me. I guess the latest reviews are that the latest version of Claude 3.5 is not so great. I think that was recently released, and some people are having issues with it. Like, you know, some people are saying that there's a degradation in the quality, which could certainly happen, by the way, right? Just because it's a newer iteration doesn't mean it's good. You know, AI does have those faults, right? So yeah, I mean, it would be interesting to do those comparisons, but I think some of them still need to mature, right? I mean, I've heard different things about the quality of the latest Claude. Can you share any insights on the future of quantum computing? I want to know. I want to make a career in it. Is it good or bad idea? I can't comment on that. I am not a quantum computing expert. I hear there's a lot of things going on with it. You know, in particular, you know, my friends tell me that IBM is doing some interesting things with quantum computing. But beyond that, I couldn't comment. I'm just not, you know, I stay in my lane, guys. I stay in my lane. My lane is things related to data science. I know quantum computing is kind of tangentially related to that, but if I don't know something, if I'm not an expert in something, I'm honest with you guys and I tell you, sorry, can't help you. So I just don't know enough about it. Parimal says, gonna join in on Sunday. Very cool. You got to do it. There's only 3 Sundays left, guys. 3 Sundays left. Tomorrow, and then 2 more, and then we are done with the book. I will be so happy when we are done with the book. We should all be proud. We should all be proud we came this far. It's not an easy book. So, yeah, feel free to come. Hamad, our good friend Hamad. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Hamad, you haven't been around in a while. Where you been? Hope you're doing well. I think Hamad's also our defending champion from the last time we played Wrong Answers Only. That's probably why he showed up, guys. He hasn't been here a while. He only probably showed up to defend his title. Joe Rogan destroyed bears. You destroyed Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan respected Elon Musk. What should you predict for me? That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, I think I've said enough about Elon. Yeah. Sane Zoo says, thanks for the advice. Was thinking the same to gaining some years experience before going for masters and then think if I should go for it or not.